Hello, Lisa here, aka Crafting Diva. Today I'd like to share with you a little video on how to make this super cute little oval easel card. Let's get started. To make the simple easel base, I've used these dies from Creator Dies. These are called their large ovals and are available to buy from their website at www.craftstash.co.uk. To make the basic easel shape, we're going to be using the second largest oval from the set of 5 dies. These dies are like a lot of the thin metal dies that are available to buy at the moment. They have a cutting edge to them that is not sharp to touch, but when run through your die cutting machine, the pressure of the machine makes this edge cut through cardstock and lots of other materials. So we'll take the second largest die from the set from Creator Dies and a simple A6 card blank which has the fold at the top and opens like so. We take the die and we place it onto the card blank like so, and with a little piece of washi tape or low tack tape we stick the die to the front of the card blank, making sure that part of the die is overhanging from the card fold like so. Now we run this through our die cutting machine. Once you've run it through your die cutting machine, you should end up with a card base that looks like this. You've got a thin top edge and then the shape of the oval like so. Now we take this card blank and we take the top flap, lay it flat on your worktop and fold into the middle and score. This is your basic easel shape. With that same die, I have die cut 2 circles from pattern paper and used a permanent black pen to go around the edge just to make the paper stand out, so when they're stuck onto the card they will stand out from the design. Right, so now we're going to take a little bit of tacky glue and we're going to stick it just onto this flap here so that we can take our top panel, stick it on like so, line it up. That is the advantage of having glue, because then you can wiggle it until you get it lined up perfectly. Now lay your card flat. For the inside flap we're going to have to cut a tiny piece off the edge so that it will sit in flat. So take your scissors, cut a tiny bit off the top and again use some tacky glue, line this up like so, and that is your basic easel covered in pattern paper. We'll put that to one side. Now onto our stamped image piece of the design, which is this piece here. We take another die from the set and cut a oval out of stamping card. I again have gone round the edge with a black permanent marker and stamped a Forever Friends image using Memento ink. Once you've done that, you go on and you colour your image. I've used some Spectrum Noir permanent pens, and to make the heart stand out I've used a little white pen just to add some detail. On the back I've put 3D foam. We'll take the backs off that and bring in your card easel base again, stick this into the centre of the design like so. Now for your stopper part of the easel I've cut the smallest oval die from the set, gone round the edge again with black permanent pen and stamped a message, I love you. On the back I've put some more 3D foam, remove the backs, stand your card up, decide how high you want the easel part to stand and stick your sentiment to work as your stopper, like that. Now to add a few little finishing details I've stamped another little message, hugs and kisses, and mounted that on black card. I'll add a little bit of glue to that, lay your image down flat, stick that to one side. I've also got some mini little roses here that I'm going to add, so we will stick them to the side of the stamped image like that. And then for the final finishing touch, I've made a little black handmade flower with a little heart embellishment. Stand your easel up, stick your bow on, and there is your finished easel oval card. I hope you've liked my video. Thanks for stopping by, and I'd love to read any of your comments.